So I have this little spro popping frog here. I'm gonna throw this along the edges. Oh, haha, missed him, but he hit it right away, like this. There we go. Got one. Got one on the frog. He came up and hammered it. Come on, don't come off. He's a nice one too. I see him. Oh, he came off. Here's my frog. Oh, man. He was about a 3-pounder. There we go. Oh, man. All right. There we go. Come on. And he came off. I'm gonna put a fluke on, work it in the same area as I would a frog. And just see what happens. Got him. Come on. Man, they're all just swimming right at me. All right, yeah. That was a cool bite. He came about a foot out of the water. He came about a foot out of the water. That was pretty sweet. Nice little 12-inch bass. He hammered that fluke I was using as a topwater right there. All right. There we go. Largemouth, baby. See ya, bud. All right. Fix my fluke. He destroyed it. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a better one. That's a better one. Come on, get out of there. Come on, get out of there. There we go. He's still on. He's still on. There we go. That's a nice one right there. Yes. Yeah. There we go. Got him on the fluke. Working it just like I would a frog, but I get a better hookup ratio with it. That's a nice one. I think he was on a bed over there, but going back. Nice bass. Look, all tails all messed up from spawning. That's what that is. All right. See you, buddy. Yes. Let's get another fluke on. Well, when you find a pattern like I found, and they're hitting frogs, but I don't really have the right gear to be landing bass on frogs, getting a good hook set with, like a 65-pound braid and really heavy stout rod and nice reel. I don't have those things, so you have to improvise. And what I'm doing is I'm working the fluke just like in spots I would a frog. I'm Texas rigging it, and I'm Texposing the hook, which means I'm putting the point of the hook in the top of the bait, so it's completely weedless now. I can cast this in the same areas, trees, weeds, anything, and it won't get hung up. And I'm working it just like I would a frog. Aggressive, short strokes, making it go back and forth, and they're hitting it. They're hammering it. So when you find a pattern, you certainly do not deviate from that pattern. So let's keep it going. Oh dear Lord. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. There we go. I saw that wake behind the bait. There we go. He's spinning me. That's all right. That's all right. Oh, come here. Gotcha. There's another. Oh, he spawned out. Look at him. They should have a bigger belly here, but I think this one finished spawning. Weightless fluke. Working it on the surface. On the surface and just below the surface. I saw that thing wake behind it before he took it. That was awesome. That one should be, he should be 3.5, pushing 4 pounds, but he's spawned out and he's got no belly on him. All right, girl. See you later, buddy. Yes.